This is the amazing output, and here you are watching that as the background color will change with their names, and such output will reflect in Python. And how to do that? Let's start. This is the complete output. Okay. So I cut it window, and here you will open the Python terminal. That is ideally go to your start button, and here type ideally. Okay. Yes. Open it. Just opening, and here we will code. Go to the file as usual and create a new file, and here write anything and select go to the file and select save as. Okay. And here by default you will redirect it as that where the Python will installed, but if you want to save in another place, then you can choose your path, and if you save your own by default path, then leave it as it is and give it name, just background animation. Yes, you right, background animation. Okay, and hit enter. Yes, control A and remove. Now you have to import some library from tkenter, import everything with put it star, and another is we will discuss here nothing but as we required, as error will reflect, and this error why will come and how to fix that thing, at that time we will put the library. Okay, let's say first of all create some nothing but, let's say I am creating my name Sham and equal to just tk, not capital, only small, and here the tk class will create its own a user defined Sham object, and this Sham will use everywhere. It is the parent window, it is the parent object, it is the root thing. Okay, and Sham and dot title, and inside you will write here background animation. Okay, background animation, perfect. And same thing, go to the below, and again Sham dot give the geometry. What does it mean? It will give the width and height of what? Of your window, which window will created by the tkenter. Okay, and here give the size. Perfect size is, I consider you can change 700 by 600. Okay, and check it Sham dot main loop, call it control S and press F5. Yes, some error. Sham is okay, spelling mistake, my name is spelling mistake, so SHYM. Yes, this is mistake because not this thing. Okay, same name, control S and F5 run, so your tkenter window will reflect here. Okay, perfect. Now what we'll do, give the background color of that window which has been created by tkenter. Perfect. So Sham dot config, and inside config you will put bg. It doesn't background color equal to, I write it black, control S and F5, then your window will also appear very good. Okay, this is the basic concept. You have to know that. After that we will create what we need the function. One function I will make definition, It does mean I will animate and name it. Okay, and after that you will print just type here I am animate and out the function, and here write the animate and call it. Okay, so one time it will print, one time it will print here I am animate. Okay, yes sir, it is perfect and very nice thing. Then what will I do? After that you want to do multiple time printing will display on the output. So what will you do? You will do nothing but just like L dot yes, you will do here the how much time your function will automatic call. So auto calling facility we will add in this program. Auto calling, it does mean when that time will spent and function will automatically called, and the parameter and the task and the setup instruction will written in the function or file which will properly executed. Let's see. After it does mean at that time, let's say 100, yes, 1000 millisecond, and if I wrote 100 millisecond, my function will call. Which function will call? Animate function will call. Okay, how to do that? Just run it and watch the result. So one more, x is not defined. Okay, x is not defined. So what is the x? Just yes, x equal to, it is the label, and inside label you will write here nothing but let's say label. You will see text equal to you will give it inside nothing but hello, and give the comma, and what will you text and background color equal to, you can give the red, not GB, background BG. Okay, background color, and also you can give foreground color. Yes, foreground color, it does mean text color, the font which we have used, how they looks like. Okay, so I am right here white. Okay, and this is the label, and after that x is label, sorry, x is a function of the tk interclass, and here you can say it has a x, the whole property which will inherited in x, and x is a label object, and we want to paste that label on the wall, just like painting. We will put or we will paste that painting on the wall. So what we use? We will use some hanging or pasting there, where hook or anything we will there. So here x is a hook. X is a hook to hang the our wall painting. That is the mean. X, that is the peg, and inside nothing but. If you want to paste it on a particular coordinate, like 200 by 300 and whatever, so you have to use the what? Place instead of peg. And if you want to paste it line by line, then you will use a grid. Okay, it will, we will discuss in a next videos, but it is the okay, and run by F5. Yes, your function is calling multiple times, and here is nothing but hello. Okay, so my function is calling, in inside you can write here, and here font, and here the font, and inside the font you can pass font family. Okay, Times New Roman, and size of that, so let's 30. Control S and F5. Yes, you will see ultimate background animation. This is the very nice thing. Okay, so how to do that? But the background color is not changing, it is the static. So how to do that? Cut it, and that you will do. here the come topmost and take a color and create a list. Inside list pass a many color name like nothing but red, green, and what other name you can I don't know very name. It's blue separated by comma, purple separated by comma, other name black, you can say black, and another name you can what is the yellow. Yellow is the very good color. Red, green, blue, and what you can say another name blue, green, I don't know, blue, blue, red, RGB, black, yellow, and you can also take the white color, but it's not a color. Okay, so purple, powder blue, and inside you will take brown. This is the much more. Okay, and inside the color is a dictionary. Okay, and in this list I have pass what red, green, blue, and etc. You can also pass more color as you know, but it is the and now create a object. Then CLSA equal to random, yes, dot choice. It will reflect any one color by choice at the random behalf. So pass this color because this color object having all that thing. Okay, I have passed. Then this is the CLS, and now x dot config, and inside the config you can pass what config bg background I am passing here equal to what CLS. Yes, okay, and again on the same on the I will just pass on config again, and same name that color name which is reflect by that randomly choiced from color dictionary color list from that thing. Okay, color, this is the list in a dictionary pattern. Okay, now just pass it what also name of the color. So text is name of the color. What is the color, or simply color name is nothing but CLS. Okay, and you have to pass on that. Okay, and control S and run F5, and this is everything. I do not want to print it because I am use it only control S and press F5. Then the error y will be random is not defined. Random is not defined. Students, it is the mean that we don't include, we didn't include the random one. Random, control S and run. Your error will definitely remove, and the amazing background animation will reflect. Okay, yes, here reflecting but in a small size. Okay, so how to do that on our whole screen? So what is the shape and size, background color? So here you can give width equal to of what, that thing 700. So control C, and where is the width? Width is 700, same because, and height because whole screen will cover. Okay, whole screen will cover, and 600. So the animation will cover the whole screen. Okay, yes, as it is what we mention in initial in the background, that is the perfect.